Welcome to CAD Pro Max. So this is Suraj. So in this session we will discuss we will cover the topic of generative drafting, which is used in a CATIA pipe. So basically, drafting workbench enable you to give automatic generate engineering drawing from a CAD product or CAD part. It will give you the associative drawing, which generate associative drawing with the dimension of the drawing. You can use the standard template to generate the drawing. You can use dress up features with annotation. It also contains interactive tools which is used for non-associative drawing. So this is why we are using the generative drafting. So how to start generative drafting? So there are 2 to 3 process to start generative drafting. You can go with the start mechanical design. Here it is drafting, or else you can go to the file new and here drawing. You can start with the drawing, or you if you want to use that drawing drafting frequently in your CATIA workbench, you can set the drawing or a drafting workbench as your favorite. So how to do that one? You just go to these tools, customize, just take to this drafting and take to this and to favorite list. So you can see this favorite list in your start drafting or in your welcome to CATIA v5. This order will you can set the order as per your favorite list. Okay, so I'm just going to this method start drafting. So here you will find standard. Here you will find some standard. New drawing, it will tell you some standard. So drafting standard maintain the uniformity of the drawing. It's there are many standard available: ANSI, ASME, ISO, ISO 3D. So your you can use your own standard or own organizational standard. So for that your administrator can set the standard for your organization standard. Okay, so as I am using only ISO, so I will go for the ISO. In ISO sheet you will find the sheet size. So here you can get from A0 to C5. So let I will go for this A3. So now in which format, in portrait mode or landscape mode you want the sheet, so you can define the sheet as per your requirement and click OK. This is how you can enter into the drafting. Now here one sheet came means when you click on this, when you generate the drawing, it will by default it will take a sheet. So if you want to change this sheet properties, you can see you can change the name, scale, you can change the sheet size from A3 to A0 or anything, and you can see the width and height which is predefined in ASO A0. And here you can go for this projection method, first angle projection or third angle projection. As per your requirement you can go with this. The generative view position mode means it will calculate from your bounding box center or 3D axis, 3D plane axis. So you can define here itself. Okay, apply. Okay, so as per your sheet property it will create. So now how to create a new sheet? So you can go with this here in drawing, you will find the new sheet. Okay, I'm just going to the new sheet. See, I have created the new sheet, but this property is not same as your um, um, sheet 1. So this sheet 1 property is different and sheet 2 property is different. And you can see the sheet which is showing blue color, that is your active sheet. Okay, if I will still double click on this sheet 1, now you are in a sheet 1. Okay, how would you know? You can see this color is blue, and you can see the properties of the second sheet. It is in sorry. Okay, third angle projection A0 and A3. Okay. Okay, means this thing is coming. And if you want to change this property here itself, you can change this property as per your requirement. Let in the second sheet I want the first angle projection, but in this first sheet I want third angle projection. You can define that too, as per your requirement. Okay, now take a look on the tools which you are going to use, tools bar which is you are going to use in your drafting workbench. The first tool is view. First we need to import the view. Okay, so there are some primary view like front view, isometric view. Okay, these are some primary view. Then the secondary view like your projection view, then your offset section views, align section view, offset section cut, align section cut. Then the tertiary or secondary view like your uh, detail views, details view. Then your breakout clipping view, breakout view, broken view. Then here you find the some widget view creations. Okay, so remember, when you are going to design, you need a 3D part, that is your associative drawing or generative drawing with associative tools. Okay, so I'm just going to open one of the 3D part. This is my 3D part. I am just opening this one. Okay, now you can see after click on this 3D part, I have one 3D part. That's why this view is the main view which is selecting. So you can see the name view has been selected. Okay, so means activated. Then after that we can go for, after view creation we'll go for some dimensioning. So here you will find, so normal dimension, then your change dimension, accumulated dimension, then your stack dimension, then length dimension, angle, radius, so diameter and all. Okay, this chamfer dimension, if you have given any chamfer, then thread dimension, it will give you the thread value of this, and here coordinate dimension, and here you can find the whole dimension table, and here coordinate dimension table. So in dimension you will get the dimension type, and here this is rerouting. Okay, this is this is for reroute or relink the, these tools are using the relink the element or relink the dimension. Okay, then we'll go for some detailing design like your datum features and all. Then dress of features like your center line with reference, then your thread with reference and axis, then axis line and the center lines. Okay, then your some hatching. So this all is coming in your detailed sheet drawing. Then here with some annotation like text, if you want to add some text or text, different types of text and all that there. So one by one we will cover all this thing. Okay, now as I have a 3D part, that's why it is the view is coming, and here okay, we'll just import the front view. Just going to for the front view. So So front view, what it will say, see, I'm just selecting this surface. Okay, so front view is basically a projection view that obtain a perpendicular point of you can see here. I'm just selecting this projection plane. It will take the end perpendicular point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, all this point, end point, and connect the line, connect on the edge, and it will create the front view. I will select this plane. You will see it will take the all the point, end point of this, and create the edge, and it will take to the front view. Okay, so again we will go for this again. I'm just going to this, selecting this plane. So you can find some manipulator. Okay, projection manipulator, you can go with this. In the first time you can right click, you can rotate, or see, you can rotate. Okay, or you can give your manual dimension, like edit the angle, whatever the angle you want, you can give the angle also. Okay, right click here. So first one is your sheet property. We have given this sheet property. Then we'll go for this view properties. Now you can see here, you can give the display of the view frame. I'm just apply. So display view frame, display view frame, now it is not there. You can go with the display view plane, or you can give, let see, display view frame is not there. Okay, then locked view, visual clipping, you can give the angle of the scaling or orientation. Then if you want to check on hide, you give the rest of feature, like hidden line, center line, 3D space, color, and this thing is there. Then filter with symbolic or anything, you can give. View preview, front view, it is a front view. You can change this name also as your view. Then you can go to view generator, any exact view, or CGR view, or approximate radar view. You can define the view, which view you want. Then your graphics property, in graphics property you can go with the low intensity and all. Click OK. Okay, so this is how you can generate this front view. Then we can go with the projection view. So this front view is my main view. Okay, this front view is my main view. Now I will go with the projection view. So after main view is activated, you can see all these tools are activated, this view tools are activated. Now go with the projection view. So projection view is nothing but which is created by using the reference of the earlier created view. So here if I will go with this projection view, it will create the right side view taking the reference of the front view. Okay, then go with this. Okay, bottom view, as we are using this third angle projection, that's why it is coming right side in right view and left side in left view. Sorry, bottom view as in bottom view. Okay, now I'm just deleting of this thing. Okay, no need to delete, and I will go for this section view. Okay, in section view there are two types of sectional view, like offset or align view. So this is your offset view, and this is your aligned section view. Okay, so it is totally depends upon how the cutting plane is defined by the user. Okay, so again, the section view is divided into two types. One is your normal section view, or sorry simple offset section view, or complex offset section view. Okay, what is simple offset section view? Just I'm just going to drag. You can see the section view with a simple single cut plane fully passing through the part. So this is my single section view. Okay, or I'll go with another example like okay, I'm just going to the another example like yes, create a new, no, I go with the same drafting drawing, and here I will apply this front view, the sectional view model, and here it is. Oh, sorry. I need to select the sheet 2 and open the front view. Yes. Now I will apply the simple section cut. Okay, so simple section cut, it is nothing but simple section view, it is nothing but the cutting plane. So this plane will simply pass through the single plane will pass through the part. So you can see here we can find two holes is there, and sorry, two small holes there and one is there, and as it is passing through this three hole. Okay, one is then next one is complex offset cut. So complex offset cut, like I'm just going to the same section, I'm just going to this up to this sorry, this. So here you can see three holes are involved. Okay, this is your complex set cut, and you can see there are also three holes is involved but in a single cut, but here three holes is involved but I have given the multiple means complex cut. Now the next one is your, just deleting this, your align section view, just delete this. Okay, now align section view. So align section view is like a it is also called as your revolve section, as they have cutting in a plane revolute along the axis. So I can go with this. So up to this axis I'm just revolute this. Okay, you can see align section cut, revolute along the axis, it is cutting this and this. Okay, it is a align section cut. You can perform the same operation here. This, this. So how many holes are involved? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Four holes are involved in this. On in this way, we can cover this align section view. So now the question is coming. So here it is section view, offset section view, and align section view. Then align section got and offset section got. So basically if I will go through this, I will just deleting. Okay, you can see here Whenever you are creating this section view, normal section view, the view of the cutting plane along with the geometry, it is coming the view